So if you had to choose one beauty or makeup item to have in your handbag at all times, what would it be?
I think it would be like my Maybelline eyelash. Like, I love it so much. It's in my bag right now.
It's actually a lash mixing medium that we've mixed with these pink pigments to give this kind of Barbie doll effect, and really laid it up top and bottom to give a really pretty kind of pink lash look.
Did you guys do your own makeup today, or did you have it done by someone else?
I did mine myself.
Wow, it's really, really gorgeous.
So I've got Chanel makeup on, Max Factor gold eyeshadow, and then my mascara is MAC. She's really good at it, I'm rubbish. A girlfriend did it for me.
I like a red color because it's different and make people look young.
We've used this red paint to give a real painterly feel across the eye. It's kind of just 2 strokes of paint. I kind of want to be able to see those strokes and the brush marks in there. It's very kind of spontaneous feeling to it.